Hi, I'm Joe Walensky, and today I want to talk about the user assistance in a mobile app. It's an area that I'm always interested in. And the app that I want to talk about has put together a very interesting tutorial. The company is ArchiTech. So let me just bring that up and give you a little tour.
So I mentioned the name of the tool is ArchiTech, and this is a Windows Phone application. And it's unfortunately kind of hard to find robust apps in the Windows Phone marketplace, but this is definitely one of them. It is essentially a CAD and drawing program, and it has a lot of powerful features in it. You can With Windows Phone, you can get it from the marketplace. It's $1.99, but there's also the typical free trial of the app. And if you just want to check out some screen captures of what it can do, you can go to the marketplace site and kind of take a look at the screenshots of the different drawings that are available. And the product has a lot of controls to it. It's pretty amazing the level of drawings that you can do from this mobile device, as well as view other drawings that you've already put together. Let me switch over to the app itself. So here I have ArchiTech set up on Windows Phone. It's the icon up in the top right. I'll select that. And the first thing that appears is a screen asking if I want to take a tutorial. I'd like to show you a short tutorial at first. Are you interested? Yes, please, or no thanks. Don't show this message again. So I'll select yes, please. It starts to show the UI of the application, and then the first thing that comes up is a panel with information about the toolbar. So it has a number 1 toolbar, and then it has some instructions about working with the toolbar. And I can scroll to the next panel, which is about creation, and then modification, and it continues on that way. There's quite a lot of tutorial panels: text, lines, architecture, interior, colors, moving, scaling, rotating, mirroring, CAD buttons, delete objects, zooming, undo redo, and then I'm back to the toolbar. Now, an interesting addition to that is for each one of these cards that appears as an overlay, I can now go vertically for additional information. So here on toolbar, I'm now going to go and scroll down to see additional information about the toolbar. And if I go over to creation, similarly, I can go down to get more information about creation, modification, some more information about modification. And so this help system has created a situation where you have a lot of information by the way that they've set it out in this array. Now I'll take a little bit of a closer look at some of these panels. So here is number 5, text. And as I scroll through, you can see a little bit more of the detail. There are a few frames where you see a literal representation of a finger. And now from the tutorial, if I press the back button to go back to the main user interface, I can then go to the More button, and there's a tutorial choice, so it is possible to get back to it after you've used it the first time and if you've chosen to not see it again. And there it is.
All right, well, hopefully you found that interesting. Good luck with all of your projects. Thank you.